Where did life truly begin? Have you ever wondered, where did your life actually begin? Was it the moment you were born, gasping your first breath? Was it at conception, when a single cell carried the potential for your entire existence? Or maybe it began when your parents met, or even earlier, with their parents and theirs before them? But what if none of those were truly the beginning? What if the story of you stretches back, not years, not decades, but billions of years? What if your existence didn't begin with birth, but with the very beginning of time? Let's take a step back. Imagine for a moment that your body, your thoughts, your presence are all part of an unbroken chain, stretching back to the birth of the universe. The oxygen in your lungs, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, all of it was forged in the heart of ancient stars. Stars that lived and died long before Earth ever formed. You're not just alive, you are the universe made conscious, a living expression of 13.8 billion years of transformation. Today, we're going on a journey, not just through time, but through existence itself. Together, we'll trace the path that brought you here, not just biologically, but cosmically, spiritually, consciously. Because to understand where your life began, we need to look far beyond what we've been told. Biology is just the beginning. Yes, some would say your story starts with the union of a sperm and egg, but that's not the full truth. Before that moment, your parents already carried the blueprint of your existence. Their cells were shaped by ancestors who lived hundreds, thousands, even millions of years ago. And those ancestors? They carry the story of life's first breath in ancient oceans, in simple molecules that became cells, then creatures, then us. But we're still not at the beginning, because before life, there was only matter. And that matter, it came from stars. You are made of stars, literally. The carbon in your cells, the iron in your blood, the phosphorus in your deoxyribonucleic acid, all of it was created in the fiery heart of dying stars, in cataclysmic explosions that scattered elements across the galaxy, elements that one day would become you. So when you breathe, walk, think, you're participating in an eternal dance of matter and energy, not separate from the universe, but an extension of it. Carl Sagan was right. You are star stuff. But here's the twist. The universe became aware of itself somewhere along the cosmic timeline. Matter did something extraordinary. It began to think. Atoms became cells, cells became brains, and those brains became aware. At some point, the universe, through you, opened its eyes. Your thoughts, your memories, your curiosity about your origins, they're not separate from the cosmos. They are the cosmos reflecting on itself. Is that not the most beautiful idea? What happens when you die? If your atoms have always existed, if consciousness is a thread in the fabric of the universe, then what is death? We see death as an end. But nature tells us something different. A fallen tree becomes nourishment. A dead star gives birth to new planets. The energy in your body, it doesn't vanish, it transforms. So maybe life and death aren't opposites. Maybe they're chapters, moments in a cycle too vast to grasp. You were never a beginning, and you will never be an end. What was before the beginning? The Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. All of this, space, time, matter, emerged from a single unimaginable point. But some scientists now believe the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, just a transformation, a chapter in a much older book. Some say we may be part of a multiverse. Others believe reality itself pulses in cycles, birth, expansion, collapse, rebirth. And consciousness, it may be just as eternal. Not something created, but something fundamental, like gravity or space itself. So, where do you fit in? You are not a fluke. You are not small. You are not separate. You are the universe, thinking, feeling, wondering about itself. And your brief flicker of awareness in this infinite tapestry, it matters, because you are a bridge between atoms and eternity, between matter and meaning. And that is a miracle in motion. If this story touched you, share it, reflect on it. And remember, you were never in the universe. You are the universe, and the story of you has only just begun.